2018 Toyota Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, traction control, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, fog lights, security system, power windows, bed liner, CD player, electronic stability control, heated front seats, trip computer, compass, tachometer, power moonroof, overhead console, remote keyless entry, brake assist. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.